Everyone, let's roast BomiBUDDY's Clubhouse!
Yeah!
Anyways, but first, let's go inside my clubhouse. Okay, so video camera, turn on the video, please.
Hey everybody, it's me, BomiBUDDY. Hey, do you want to come to my clubhouse?
No!
Well, alright, let's go!
Rah! We said no!
I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we can say the magic words. The magic words are... Miska Muska, BomiBUDDY. Say it with me, guys.
Miska Muska Poopy Head!
BomiBUDDY. BomiBUDDY. That's me. It's the BomiBUDDY's clubhouse. BomiBUDDY. BomiBUDDY. It's the BomiBUDDY's clubhouse. Ha ha ha.
Boo! Boo this show! Boo! Boo! Oh, who's there? Come in.
Hi guys, it's me, BomiBUDDY.
This is the fake BomiBUDDY. Fake BomiBUDDY. Is that true that you just copied my ideas?
Yes, I did.